Hey everyone, today we will be learning about lists and dictionaries in Python. So let's get started. So to start, let's define a list. Let's use a valid variable name such as fruits. Now we will use square brackets and add items inside. Like last time we saw lists in this series, we will add apple, banana, and cherry. Let's say you want to print apple, which is also the 0th index in this list. We use print with the square brackets, then we write the index. So in our case it should be this. Running it only prints apple. Now for negative indexes it's the same concept, but the last item on the list is -1. And for our list, -3 is the index of apple, since cherry has the index of -1. Running it again, shows us apple again. And to show you the index -1 is cherry, shows us cherry instead. Now let's say you want to add orange to the list. We can use fruits.append orange. Printing the entire list shows us a 4th item. Let's say we want to remove cherry. The .remove attribute helps us remove cherry. So we're gonna write fruits.remove quotations cherry. Printing it again, cherry is nowhere to be found, even though it's defined up there. Let's say we want to change the first index to be, instead of apple, grape. So we define a normal variable, but we use square brackets with the index of the list item. Sorry, I've made a mistake declaring the index. Instead of 0, I wrote 1, but let's change it. As you can see, it's defined as apple and prints as grape. And that's it for lists. Now on to dictionaries. Let's say we're creating a profile for someone called Alice, who is 25 years old and lives in New York City. So to define it, we use curly brackets and add key names. And then add a column. Then the value of the key name. Then add a comma. So first up, let's print the entire dictionary. and it prints the keys with their values. Let's say we want to only print name. We can add square brackets with the key name so the output is Alice only. Printing it again, as you can see, we only get Alice. Let's say Alice is 26 years old. We can change that value easily, just like defining a normal variable, but we add squared brackets to the key name we want to change. Printing it again shows us the new age. Now let's say Alice is a developer. How do we add a new key? It's similar to modifying a key. So adding a new key called job is just defining a new variable but with the square brackets. Printing it shows us a value of the key that wasn't defined originally. Let's say Alice does not exist in New York, so we can delete the key city. Using the del statement in Python, then writing square brackets, then the name of the key to be deleted, it deletes it. Printing it shows us there is no key called job, since I made a mistake writing it. Anyways, after fixing the mistake, there isn't a key called city with the value of New York anymore. So that's it for dictionaries. This has been our episode today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.